Welcome to our YouTube channel where we take you on a journey through the most relaxing and fun-filled destinations in the Caribbean. Get ready to soak up the sun, experience vibrant culture and create unforgettable memories. Hey fellow travelers! Today we're diving into the top destinations in the Caribbean where you can relax, have fun and immerse yourself in the local culture. Let's go! Known for their pristine beaches and vibrant coral reefs, Turks and Caicos offer a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Dive into the crystal clear waters for world-class snorkeling or simply unwind on the powdery white sands. This island paradise is famous for its lively atmosphere and rich cultural heritage. Explore historic Bridgetown, indulge in delicious Bajan cuisine and dance the night away to the rhythm of calypso and soca music. With its dramatic volcanic peaks and lush rainforests, St. Lucia is a haven for nature lovers. Hike through the iconic Pitons, rejuvenate with a spa treatment overlooking the Caribbean Sea, and savor local delicacies infused with Creole flavors. Experience the laid-back vibes and infectious energy of Jamaica. Lounge on the world-famous 7 Mile Beach in Negril, tour the Bob Marley Museum in Kingston, and savor mouth-watering jerk chicken while grooving to reggae beats. A paradise of sun, sand and sea, the Bahamas offer endless opportunities for relaxation and adventure. Swim with dolphins in Nassau, stroll through the colourful streets of historic towns like Dunmore Town, and unwind at luxury resorts with all-inclusive amenities. Whether you're seeking tranquility on secluded beaches or craving excitement through cultural experiences, the Caribbean has something for everyone. So pack your bags, hit the beach and let the island vibes wash over you. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the Caribbean. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels.